Hi everyone, it's Liz. I wanted to show you today about our chicken backs and soup bones. So I call these meaty chicken backs because there is a lot of meat left on them from the butcher when this is where they get the cut-ups from, like the breast, the thighs, the wings. So this is what they put in a package. They slightly differ depending on how big the package is, but they're about 2 to 2.5 pounds. You usually get about 2 backs, 2 necks, and a breast or maybe 1 or 2 breastbones. So anyways, this is great for people who love broth, but it's also great for people who love shredded chicken for using for tacos, for whatever you like chicken with, casseroles, whatever. So anyways, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you first of all that there's quite a bit of meat left on these chicken backs. So you're not just getting just straight bones. So I just want to point that out real quick. This is not bones. So what we're going to do is we're going to pop them in here. This is my Instant Pot. Love the Instant Pot. I'm going to cook them for about 20 minutes, and then I'm going to show you to pull off the meat, and then you can make as much broth as you need. So I filled my Instant Pot with just a little bit of water, just barely to the edge of the meat. I'm going to put it in my Instant Pot, and I'm going to set it for probably about 20 minutes. And this is just to get the meat off. If you go a whole lot longer, the meat is going to start losing its flavor. So you want to make sure that you're careful on how much time you put on it. So there we go. So 20 minutes at high pressure. We're going to let that go, and I'll show you what it looks like when we're done. Okay, I just pulled it out of the Instant Pot, and now I'm going to pick all the meat off and see how much meat we get off of them. Okay, so now I just finished picking the chicken backs. You can see how much meat I got. This is good quality meat. This is good stuff for casseroles, soups, whatever you choose to, or, tacos or whatever. And then now we've got all these chicken bones in the original stock that we cooked the chicken with. Now I'm going to pop that back the Instant Pot, probably put it in there for several hours, and then I'm going to show you how much broth you get out of this too. Okay, here's our finished products from just those little chicken backs that we got. We got 2 cups of good chicken and also about 6 cups worth of really delicious homemade good broth. So I made the broth in the pressure cooker, but you can do that in a slow cooker or on the stovetop, same with pulling the chicken. And man, this is a bang for your buck for how much stuff you get. I'm going to make some white chicken chili tonight with this wonderful concoction.